Myntri Rangbah kejelau konret kisang mahnin keski ulabu ya umau Nongrim na kebenta ke 5-star hotel ke balai jong ke Meghalaya ke Aurika Hotel by Myntri Hotels Limited a Orchid Hotel Polo. Ke Aurika Hotel kandai ke 5-star hotel barem dor haring katsis pa live hoteli ki kamera pat onte ya ka haga jenglut ke basis pa arpusau klor ling ba ke PPP model. Haba ai jengkeren ke jengelang usang mau laong bakani ke projek PPP model ke bahet tam hapo Meghalaya bat kan sakentiu ye ki kam jengok kai perthei ke yok ke kot bat kalat yok kam yok jam na ke bentah ki samla. Ula benrap bagi jengbei tingkah ha ketenat kam jengok kai perthei kat plelat kumbashi lak teligi kam ki jam hapo ke jela.
130 rooms in this particular hotel. This is a luxury 5-star hotel, top of the line with facilities like banquet halls and other amenities so that we can attract not just clientele from all over the country and the world, but we'll be able to promote large MICE tourism. So this is for meetings and conventions, and Shillong is already becoming a place where large organizations, large government departments are having their big meetings and conferences in Shillong.
Myntri Rangbah kejelau